So guys, to remove this eye bag below our eyes, this dark discoloration, you go down and duplicate the layer. This applies even to knuckles, elbows, knees, and every other place that is darker than the normal skin tone. Then create an empty layer. After creating this empty layer, go to the background copy layer and come back to smart object. We are converting to smart object so that we can adjust the values we'll be applying to this layer even after applying it, because if you don't convert to smart object, that will be impossible. So go to other and high pass. Then with this high pass, we take the value all down and then move it up. We take it up until the moment we begin to see the line outs, like the textures, because that's what we are trying to retain while we remove the tone. So you move it, the radius, increase the radius, you adjust. This value might even range from as low as 4.7 to around 38, 40. It depends on the image. This is a low res image, so a higher value will bring out the texture here. So this value will vary from image to image. Now click on OK to apply this. Then we'll see that you can, yes, exactly what I told you. You can adjust the values later on. Now go on and change the blend mode to overlay. Then hold Alt and left click to clip this layer to the layer 1. Yes. Now go to the layer 1. While on layer 1, you take your brush. Make sure the eyedropper sample size of 5:5 aspect ratio and sample is current and below. 5:5 average and sample is current and below. Make the flow to be very low, around 3 or 4 or 5. Nothing higher. So the effect to be applied gradually, and that will make you be in control. Hold Alt to pick from a lighter area and bend over the darker area. You continue to do this, watching as the tone is being brightened and being evened out, because these eye bags like this make the model to look sick, but when it's brightened up, the skin become fine, beautiful, and pleasing. So you go on and do this. Take your time to do it. Just know that this background copy layer, which is the texture layer, is there to retain the texture while you mix the tone. So take your time and do it. I see everything is now becoming even and beautiful. So make sure you subscribe already if you haven't subscribed. Like this video if you find it helpful. You can group the layer and see the before and after. You can also play the opacity to bring out some of the line out and make it more natural. Before and after. Before and after. Like this video if I haven't already. Check the description if there's any resources there that might be helpful to you. Just check the description. There's always something there for you.